Yeah, man, I'm doing a little something different today. All right, check it out. I'm getting those fried onions softened up. Let me show you what I've got going today. Of course, I finished off this thing. It was just a little bit down there, but the fried onions. I have another one over here, but that's what they look like. But yeah, so I put a little bit of the chipotle Tabasco in it and some of the granulated chicken stuff. Yeah, that stuff. Some garlic and some of Uncle Bull Cow's pineapple hot sauce. And I've been letting that boil for about 10 minutes now. So I'm fixing to put the Mama pork flavored ramen noodles in. We're going to see how this tastes. Do a little review on just a little homemade dish, so to speak. And over here, I'm converting. You can't get it now unless you pay for it. But this is it's on conversion mode right now. But free make, this program right here, free make, yeah, they'll convert any files over. So I'm converting DVD into MP4 so I can edit it. This is my bigger laptop that does the real work. But so I can edit it and then put the old home movies on as y'all been seeing, and yeah, so it's a lot of fun, a lot of interesting stuff there. And there we have it, guys. Let's get down and see how this tastes. Smells wonderful. All right, what's up, guys? Here we are with a nice hot. Give this a try. Sure smells good. Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh yeah, definitely. Mm. Hot with fire, or some would call stove hot. Mm. How's everybody's Saturday morning going? By the time this uploads, it'll probably be Saturday afternoon, but this is kind of a breakfast for me, so y'all having a good day? I hope so. Hope everybody's having a good day. I got some good sleep last night. Mm. Mm. This is wonderful. Mm-hmm. A little bit of hiccup going on. It's not hot spice-wise. I don't get hiccups with spicy stuff. Never have. All the spicy challenges I've ever done, never once got a hiccup. But I am getting a little bit stove up in the... If y'all have seen my past videos, I'd learned how to get rid of hiccups by... I was 19 years old. I was in trade school. My instructor told me, I don't know why it was, but 9 swallows of water and hold your head up counting to 10 by seconds, and they gone every single time. That was in 1996, and it's now 2022, and it's never failed, not even one time. So It's what it means. It's done. Hiccup's gone. Just like that. But, you know, it also helps when you drink the water to make sure you burp out the air that when you're drinking it, you know. But I think that's a natural reaction for all of us. So that's kind of left unsaid. Mm. This is getting a little intimate for me right now. So I'm going to have to ask y'all to leave.